go in there, close the gate. Yeah, it's definitely this place.
Oh, there's the dog.
Yeah.
Doesn't like it.
He doesn't? Okay. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're wagging your tail. Come on. It's okay. Come here. Hello. There's a leash in my pocket. In this pocket, my left bottom. No, 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 don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I got her by the leg. Hey, 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 it's okay. Come here, come here. No, no. Okay, let's hurry up. Hey, 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 it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Hey, hey, no, no. Wait, give me a second. It's okay, she peed all over me. Okay, let's do it. Okay, good girl, it's okay. I'm sorry I grabbed your leg. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Shh, 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 shh.
Yeah, she's lactating for sure.
I see her go in here in my brick pile. They might be under the mat.
Just be careful when you step on stuff.
I'm holding her.
Wait, hear him? Hold on, right here.
My stick is here. I'll get it. Found him?
They're right there. There's one right there. Yeah. So actually,
Hold on.
Just one?
is that what it is?
That's unusual. Oh my god, it was just born.
Are you sure? I'm gonna go over on the other side and look, Eldad.
Yeah, wait, let's do this. Let's take this one first. We gotta keep looking. Hey, look. Good girl. We have to do a thorough run. Here, hold him. Or is it a her? Is it a boy or girl?
It's a little girl.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay, go. I came up with this trick a few years ago.
Oh, they sort of on the people in their face.
Yeah. I just want her to. If there are more, she'll take me to them.
That's why I was thinking that she just
Yeah, she keeps going back to this one spot only.
had one.
It's possible. It's possible that others died. Thank you for taking care of her.
starting to warm up to me too.
Yeah, no, she was sweet. She came. Yeah. Say goodbye and thank you.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke, you could lose everything. The truth is you'll never know. So I'll kiss you longer, baby. Any chance that I get. I'll make the most of the minutes in love with no regrets. Let's take our time, say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone. 'Cause no, when I promise tomorrow, I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
Good morning,
I'll take you for
Petunia.
granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you.
She totally remembers you.
I'm gonna lose you.
I'm gonna love you.
I'm gonna love you.
Like I'm gonna lose you. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like we're saying goodbye.